worry about the work, just think about the money. You won't have hard times, just overcome it. But you can't give up, cause this is what you wanted. So don't worry about the work, just think about the money. Don't worry about the work, just think about the money.
Man, this shit ain't no joke. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I'm gonna keep hitting this shit with the wire wheel today. Fucking get all this dirt and grime and shit up off. Come back in with the degreaser. Let all that shit dry for like a couple days and I should be finally ready to spray. And I got a lot to do. Yeah. Let's get it. Alright. Had to go get a few more goodies. That's I try out these little brushes, man. I bought these shits from fucking Eastwood. It's like a 5-pack. Sharp as shit. And I got the big 3-inch wire cup wheel. Oh, good old Harbor Freight special. Shit of these little janks. Harbor Freight special. And then I've been using a 60 grit. Yep. So that's where we at with it.
Get your ass out of here. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. I want to use a little small, it's like a little small 1-inch, 2-inch. I don't fucking know. This is this bigger one. Yeah, that shit'll give me. You ain't fucking around. What the fuck? Get your ass out of here, man. This shit right here.
Think about the money. You won't have hard times, just overcome it. But you can't give up, cause this is what you wanted. So don't worry about the work, just think about the money. Don't worry about the work, just think about the money. You won't have hard times, just overcome it. But you can't give up, cause this is what you wanted. So don't worry about the work, just think about the money.
What up, YouTube? Box Chevy community. Hope all is well. I'm gonna give y'all an update of where I'm at with the box. I've done a lot of work off camera, for real. Everything y'all see with this frame, I done painted the frame all the way from the back on both sides. I believe all the way up to about this wheel. Will you move, buddy?
Every time I get down, here you come.
Yeah, he ain't gonna let me do nothing. Well, yeah, well, this ain't even paint for real. I stripped all this down to the metal and hit everything with the grinder. Stripped all that down to the metal. Then I came back and I rolled that Eastwood Rust Encapsulator Platinum on this jank. It's a silver. I actually like that silver. I rolled that. And the frame. I got as much as I could without me having to take like a bunch of shit about my way right now. Buddy, come on. What I still need to do, I still need to take this rear end up out of here and get these trailing arms off, the upper and the lower. And probably go ahead and disconnect that drive shaft and get this rear end ready to come up out here. I'm gonna end up just sanding this jank down the metal, grinding it, whatever, and just go ahead and rebuild it, paint it up, put it back under here. That's what you call your 10-bolt GM. Can pretty much be rebuilt. I told you I ain't putting no crazy amount of horsepower up under this shank anyway, so it should be good for what I need to do for it. Buddy, God damn. Buddy, what the Caprice? Will you get your ass out of here, man? Alright. Jesus, hold on. Alright. I don't even know where I was. Still need to take all of this crap off, man. All this shit going in the trash. See where I continue the frame at. I ain't sprayed none of this. I rolled that on now. I still got a few areas, actually a lot to get, really. I just got everything that was exposed. Easy enough for me to get up under here. Here your ass come. Everything that was easy access for me to grind. Already got my coilovers, and I just ordered my trailing arms, the upper and the lower. I got the QA1s for them, the adjustables. Spending a lot of damn money on that shit. Priest, God damn it, man! Get this mother, get your ass out of here, man! No. You fuck, man. What the fuck do you want? Get off my camera. Oh my God. Buddy, leave me alone, man. Leave me alone. Get your ass out of here. Get out of here. Go. Back. Shut up. Fuck up. Get out of here. Oh. Yeah. The rear. He came back, y'all. Alright. Hold on, man. Let me cut y'all off real quick. Alright. Had to put his ass in the house, man. Now I don't know where the fuck I was, but yeah, I did. Sprayed all of this. Sprayed all of that. It's a little dusty, man. This shit been sitting out here. Still got to come back in, clean it all up. See, I got overspray on the frame over there. But I'm not worrying about none of that because I still got to actually paint the damn frame. Yeah, them boats gonna probably be a bitch to get out, but we'll make some progress. I really ain't want to touch too much until I ordered the parts that I needed, but now since I ordered them, I got a good day out here, I can go ahead and keep moving. Even got some of this exhaust down. This shit hanging. Like, I'm gonna take all of that off. Yeah, let me go get this down. Yeah, what I'm looking for, the PB blaster, man, and get these nuts and bolts up out of here. I be seeing a lot of people fighting with this shit. And it actually wasn't as bad as I be noticing. What the fuck? Got a spider web on me? What is a spider on me? Yeah, I gotta clean this up. Probably hella spiders under this jank. Alright. So I got the impact. I'll go to a Hobble Freight special. Hold on. First thing I did was I tightened it a little bit. Tightened it just like a half a click. Then I came back and I loosened it. I left the impact sitting on the brick, so I ain't got to hold it. And I ain't got to be up under the car. Lord knows I don't really like being up under this car. I ain't even got it high enough anyway. Shit, did I fucking tighten it up? Nope, I'm fucking tripping, y'all. Fucking around with y'all. Put the bitch back on here. No doubt. No doubt. She won't bad at all. So tighten it first and then try to loosen it. The nut, that's a, what is this? This is 21. Yeah, this is 21 on the impact. Then I had a 13, 16 on the other side. The upper janks. Same thing. I ain't even grabbed it. Shit, I be fucking tripping. The upper also 21. Up. Hello. That's your free. Go. Get it from this side. I think I gotta go through one of these holes. I probably gotta go through this hole. There it is. Grab the PP blaster for that shit. We running through this shit like fucking water. Straight fucking miss. Got her in. On the other side. I gotta figure out how these fucking brake lines come off. No idea. I have to go back with steel if I do anything right here. And try to find a way to keep my dog the fuck away from everything. Good.
these bitches ain't no good. Really on that motherfucker. Figured out I can take this brake cable off, the parking brake cable on the inside of the drum. I just gotta get the fucking drum off. Look how bad this shit rusted. Man, this shit is bad. Then the rest of it, right, the brake lines, that brake proportional valve up there, I'm gonna take that apart and take the lines out of both sides and take the bolt off the top. I'm gonna probably leave that hanging. And then that line that's over here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. Gotta get these drums the fuck off of here. See what we look like. I know the brakes going. Whew, done. This back one already seized up on me before.
Just think about the money. You gon' have hard times, just overcome it. But you can't give up, cause this is what you wanted, so don't worry about the work. Just think about the money, don't worry about the work. Just think about the money. You gon' have hard times, just overcome it. But you can't give up, cause this is what you wanted, so don't worry about the work. Just think about the money.
I got that off.
That shit look bad. Ooh, them bitches look bad. I ain't never come up in these jinks. It look about like I expected it to. Ugh. Give me some brake cleaner and some shit. Yeah. Go with. Ah, oh. I need to take the pressure washer of this shit. Going in the trash anyway. I just got to see what I'm working with. Damn, this spring over here fucking blue. That bitch did not look blue. Oh, that shit yellow, the green one. Look at all the colors that's coming up now. Yeah, that shit crazy. What color this one is? This might be something else. Look at that. So this cable right here is like down up inside of there. So I'm gonna take these pads off, see if I can pull that cable out. I'm gonna leave it hanging on this side, it's free. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side, which I still can't get that drum off that other side. I've been fighting with that shit for hours. And hopefully I can get up off there in a minute.
Yeah, this might not be the right way. So I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. We're gonna figure it out.
not be this difficult. Probably 'cause I got this damn camera in my way, can't get the angle like I need it. Shit. I gotta get the right tools. Damn, finally. What the fuck is that? Is that a clip? You know, it was like a clip on the front of this bitch. So I probably got the same thing. Here. And a spring. These shit should be able to come up off. I think. Now y'all can see this cable. I had to pull out this. This is what it's gonna be like for the other side to get that goddamn parking brake line off. Just to get that shit up out of there. So I got to press it down. I'm about to get a zip tie or some clips. Alright. I got me some zip ties and some hose clamps. Hopefully one of these fucking methods work. Zip tie look like the easiest. I'm gonna try that first. Damn. I don't know how that's gonna work. I wish I did still had a zip tie on it. Alright. I think I figured it out. I ain't really figured it out, but I actually broke some shit. So that was part of this tab. Now it's so like out there. Got her ass. What's up? Alright, just loosen up these tabs, pull that bitch off the rear end. All I gotta do now is figure out the fuck to get the drum off the other side. Good. Clean up my mess. So get that drum go back on. You know, mess up real quick, and I'm gonna try to do the same thing to the other side. In case anybody know, that's how that bitch come off. Y'all don't have to cut that line for real. I got new lines anyway, but I'm still try to keep it intact. Who knows what I'm gonna actually do? I know I'm gonna use the new line. I ain't buying them shit for nothing. I don't know how much of it I got, and I could use this line to help shape, you know, the other line. So that's another reason I don't want to cut it or bend it up too much. All right, clean up my mess and try to get that drum off the other side.
finally got this fucking drum off. Man, it took me a few hours fighting this shit. I broke the fucking drum into pieces. I had to get a crowbar and kind of pry up in the middle. I had to force some springs out through the inside. I had to take the wheel cylinder out on the other side and some more shit. This shit was a bitch. I'll tell you one thing. I definitely don't think I'm going back with no drums. Figured out a better way to get this parking brake off. And I used a 13 wrench. What I did, I came along this fucking parking cable. I put it up there to that tab. I had to take a screwdriver a little bit and kind of start pushing it out. But once I got that on there, that shit was butter. All that shit just to get that one fucking cable out. Snatch this fucking parking brake down. I gotta go get a magnetic tray. Watching you. And I'm watching your ass. So, set this bitch up here. Let it come. Last thing I got left is this shit. Just got what I got right now. Figure out what size this is. Like I got it. Alright, now I gotta figure out how to get this shit from up under here by my damn self. Clean up my mess. Go get some dollies and some jacks. Alright. Everything broke free. Brake line's about the way finally. Dry shaft up out of there. I only got one dolly. I should have got two. So I can put it on the fucking, under the drum. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get this. Let's find out. Basically down. Shit. It's really that fucking heavy for real. I should be able to get it. No. No, buddy. Why are you so fucking dirty, man? Get out of here. Dang. Woo! Alright, she got some weight to it. No, she got some fucking weight. I gotta go get another dolly. About to run to Harbor Freight. Go get me another one. That shit over there is beautiful. Oh! Bow. Yo, she bark at me every time I yell at Caprice, yo. She be taking up for that motherfucker, man. Oh, shit. Yeah, she up out of there. I'm gonna make my life easier. Let me find. I think I got something right here with some wheels on it. All right, I just ran to Harbor Freight and picked up another dolly. Shit won't that far. Figure I can go ahead and get that out the way real quick. Yeah, I'm already fucking with it. Give him a bath after I get this shit done. Fucking bath. Yeah, right, buddy. No. Alright, cool. She look good enough for me. Yeah. Let's see. Like butter, baby. Like motherfucking butter. So if I can bench this shit. Fucking triple. This shit is not in my health insurance. Fuck it. Back. See you about it there. Now I got all sorts of fucking room. Still got a lot more to go though. Pull the rest of that drive shaft out. Drop this exhaust. Take these fucking trailing arms and shit off, man, and get to work. Paint the rest of this undercarriage. It's going down. Yeah. Fucking cold as a bitch out this shit right now. Man, yo. I gotta get me some more knee pads. I don't know what the fuck my shit went to. Alright, that's a wrap, man. About to go ahead and leave this shit right here. Somebody come help me put this shit up. Go ahead and give my dog a bath and call it a night.
Don't worry about the work, just think about the money. You gon' have hard times, just overcome it. But you can't give up, cause this is what you wanted. So don't worry about the work, just think about the money.
Yeah, catch y'all in the next one.